We are pleased to show you the 2026 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, 8 speakers, low tire pressure warning, compass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.